Every time you bring your Toyota in for service, the work falls into one of three categories. Knowing the difference puts you in control of the conversation instead of just nodding along. Toyota required maintenance is set by Toyota at specific intervals. Oil changes, tire rotations, brake fluid, spark plugs. These aren't negotiable if you want to protect your warranty. Toyota recommended service is based on your vehicle's condition or driving habits, legitimate, but not on a fixed schedule. And optional add-ons are entirely up to you. A cabin air filter is Toyota recommended, worth checking early here in DFW given our dust and pollen, but not required. Tire rotation is Toyota required with nearly every oil change. Fuel system cleaning is a dealer-recommended service, not something Toyota requires. Under our Customer First pledge, our service advisors will tell you exactly what category every recommendation falls into, what Toyota requires, what's recommended, and what's optional, so you always know what you're actually deciding on. Every new Toyota comes with ToyotaCare, Toyota's no-cost maintenance plan covering factory-scheduled maintenance for 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first. Bring your vehicle in under ToyotaCare, and covered services cost you nothing. If you're ever unsure whether something's required or optional, ask us. That answer is always free. Visit Freeman Toyota at 24 Northeast Loop 820 in Hurst, Texas. Call our service department at 817-287-5252 or schedule online at freemantoyota.com.